Alright, so today I'll show you how to install a throttle controller for an S550 Mustang. The throttle controller will allow you to choose how quickly the car will respond when you step on the gas pedal. So if you want a faster response time, you might want to try this mod out. To start, you will have to move your seat all the way back because you will need space to lay down on your driver's side for this install. For this next step, you will have to find the throttle connection above the gas pedal, and all you have to do is pull back on the red tab and separate the connection. Afterwards, you will connect the throttle cables, the throttle controller cables, in between the throttle cables that you separated, and after that, all you have to do is connect the controller to the little lightning cable that comes to it, and that's how you will be able to control what setting you want to be on for when you are driving. And that is how you connect a throttle controller to an S550 Mustang. Alright, so it's been a couple of weeks since we've installed the throttle controller, and I can say that the device works phenomenally. For example, as you drive, you have it all the way up to performance mode. You would essentially have to uh, big toe the throttle, kind of like you would do on a GT. You get that instant response. You even get a little tire squeal, little. You even smell burnt rubber, which is great. If you switch it down to eco mode, you get that softer pedal feel. You can go in and you won't launch essentially compared to performance mode. So I would highly encourage anyone that doesn't want to essentially add more horsepower but wants to get a faster feel out of your car to install a throttle controller. And yeah, I think it's a good idea for anyone to invest in it. Now, something that we've learned in the couple of weeks is that um, you can turn off the car and take off the controller and not, but still have the cable on, and the setting will still save. So you can take off the controller while the car is off, and we turn it back on without the controller. It will still have that last setting. So if you have in performance, it'll be in performance. If you have it in eco, it'll be in eco. Have it normal, it'll be normal. That's fine. Now, if you're driving along and you think, "Oh, I'm gonna just pop it in," um, your throttle will just um, will stop working because I think it kind of shocks the system, so it doesn't know what to do, so it just shuts down your throttle. So you just have to turn on and off the car to fix that, which is something that I'm pretty sure it's only something that we found out. But yeah, it's besides those 2 points, there's nothing wrong with it. It's it's great. So if you want to try it out, it's not that expensive. It's only like $120. So just just try it out for yourself, and you'll see that it's a good investment for anyone that's not looking for power, but just a better feel out of their car. Thank you.